What's up, YouTube? Back at it again with another video. I didn't let y'all know in the last video, but yeah, I'm getting a new wrap. I took off my old wrap, so I'm getting a new one. So yeah, on my way to the tint shop right now. I'm about to go handle that, drop my car off. I gotta pick it up either tomorrow night or Thursday morning, so I'm about to be out of the car for 2 days. But yeah, I'll be back when I get to the tint shop. We back! We back! I got the car back! Hear that thing! Woo, woo. Man, I see you. Hey, hush up, girl. Hush up.
Calm down, girl.
Calm down, girl. I got a surprise for y'all. Yeah? Oh, there's something new. Hey, fuck all y'all. There's something new. The new wrap. But that's not even the best part.
D.
Yeah. The best part.
D. Best of all time.
Color matched everything. Nice and crispy. Nice and crispy. Look at him. That girl on steroids now. Look at that paint. Not the paint. Look at that wrap color. Look at that color. Ooch, man. I don't think they're understanding that color. When I watch this thing tomorrow.
Well, the video don't even do it justice.
I'm saying, you gotta really see this thing in person. This shit is crazy. Yeah. Shout out to Mr. John. Excellent tint. Because he really did that. He really did that. But tell me that's not setting it off. Look at that thing. Look at that thing. And I got something special coming next week. Just a little test run. That carbon fiber on the wheel. Yes, sir. Now, ooch. The boy not fucking with me.
They not.
Ooh.
It's the Phantom, man.
I got the sexiest motherfucking car in Lafayette if you driving the Charger. Ooh, they're not fucking with it, ooch. They wasn't expecting that right there, ooch. They wasn't expecting that shit.
Not the Phantom.
Not the Phantom RT. No. Yeah, man. But Rabbittville finally done. Excellent tint shop handled that. Looked them up. Fire ass tint shop / wrap shop / all that good shit. I'm gonna be back Tuesday to finish my carbon fiber on the inside. But yeah, man. Make sure y'all like and subscribe because I got some more shit coming real soon. I mean, real soon. Shit, matter of fact, I'm putting Underglow on. How you look? Oh, shit! Ooh. Woo! Hey, I'm putting that Underglow colors tonight. Yeah. I might even add that in the video. But yeah, man. Make sure y'all like and subscribe. New shit coming on the daily. I promise you.